Printers may be equipped with specialty inks such as structural ink for the DIMENSE printers, gloss and/or white ink for UV printers, or white ink in a solvent printer. The designer holds the Add Special Layer tool to design utilizing these specialty inks. The Add Special Layer tool is found in the Color tool, which can be accessed when double-clicking an object in the design. This tool makes it possible to add a flood fill of ink simply by selecting either gloss or white. It is also possible to add a gloss pattern to part of the rocket by selecting Pattern Gloss, and then select which pattern to use from the inbuilt pattern library. Select another object in the design and add a white layer. Designer visualizes the added ink using different colors in order to easily differentiating which special layer is selected for the particular objects. Expand the white layer to the yellow part of the flame, followed by adding white to the orange part.